whichever field you are, you got to speak your mind, you got to speak your heart. Plan a lot, हाँ मिलता है आपको, जाओ पिक्चर देख के आओ. Does any teacher tell you जाओ मूवी देख के आओ?
Now, it brings me to my next question that, what is your message to those youths who are yet to find their passion? What do you want to tell? How can they find their passion?
Again, I would come back to being with the right kind of people. It really, really affects your mindset. And it's not necessarily in person. When we say having friends, the right kind of friends, it's not necessarily the people in person.
Yeah.
It could be in the form of books.
Yeah.
It could be in the form of videos, maybe.
Yeah.
It could the right kind of people, as in, of course, when you're surrounding with people who are in person, but more than that, also who are their work, whom you can learn from.
Yeah. Exactly.
Even reading autobiographies really helps.
Yeah.
And direction, there is this formula which I normally speak about, is if you want to master something, you have your talent, you have your skill. But if you multiply that with your direction and correction, that will be equal to mastery. So if you really want to find direction, be in the right proximity, be with the right kind of people. In person, if not in person, don't have anybody around you. The social media is there, utilize it in a positive way. And connect with good authors, reading good books, watching good videos, watching good movies as well. I mean, when in once a week I ask the children to watch a good movie. Like, कहाँ मिलता है आपको, जाओ पिक्चर देख के आओ. Does any teacher tell you जाओ movie देख के आओ? But it's the selection of the right movies.
Yeah, exactly.
It helps you build that process, and they kind of inspire you as well.
Yeah.
The last movie which I told my children was I Am Kalam. It's a simple movie. But it's about this child and about how he was so influenced by by a former president.
Yeah.
So it's basically getting the right input in your mind.
Yeah.
Because we all know that the foundation, the core is your mindset.
Yeah.
And if you have that growth mindset, we know the difference between the fixed mindset and the growth mindset.
Yeah.
So if you have the growth mindset of learning and improving your skill, you will go to places. And it is basically connecting with the youth, giving them that direction, just again asking the right kind of questions, fine-tuning a little bit, and everybody has it in them. Everybody. I'm not saying that everybody should be a speaker. I'm not saying everybody should be a communicator. I'm not saying everybody has to go on stage. But at some point or the other, in whichever field you are, you got to speak your mind. You got to speak your heart. You got to speak your story. And for that, you need a little bit of direction. So just being in the right proximity is the key if you want to find direction in your life.
That's so true. I feel that, had I not been connected with people who are aspiring writers, authors, speakers, I wouldn't be in this field. I wouldn't be a communicator. I wouldn't be going on stage delivering speeches. It was only because of this kind of circle that I had. And any last comments, Shraddha, that you would like to say to our audience?
We plan a lot, and we got to this entire year's planning that I want to be this by the end of 1 year, I want to be this by the end. I feel, that's what my personal, it could be, everybody has their own take. For me, I think it's just take your baby steps.
Wow.
Because if your plans fail, it kind of ruins you as well. Have your plans, don't make it too rigid for yourself, but how about working on it step by step? If you've read the book Atomic Habits by James Clear, it's about the routine, about your daily steps that you can take, and keep working on it gradually. Supposedly, for example, very simple example was, if you want to be someone who wants to get into sports or just wake up early in the morning, just take action immediately. 5-second rule as well. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and just get up. Once you're up, that was one target achieved. Now you want to go running. You want to go, maybe just start off running 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers, 5 kilometers, and gradually build that up until unless you can go for a half marathon and full marathon. So what you're doing is you are working consistently. So if you're working consistently towards your goal, you can be over there.
Yeah.
But my suggestion and my take is don't set this huge plan for yourself that I'm going to be this by the end of the year or by the 5 years, 10 years down the line. Have an outline. But if you work consistently towards it, irrespective of the rewards will just fall into places. So the rewards, when they come in, well and good. If they don't, doesn't matter. Move ahead.
Yeah. It was really wonderful having you, Shraddha, today. Thank you for, devoting your valuable time with me today. All the things, that you mentioned, they were really valuable. And thank you for coming in. It was lovely having you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Taiba. Thank you so much for having me.